Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Daily Bugle Light Kit is probably one of the most sought-after lighting solutions for enhancing the ambience of your Marvel or superhero-themed displays, offering a captivating and immersive experience that elevates your collectibles from mere objects to breathtaking centerpieces. Its ease of use and compatibility with various model kits make it a top choice for both seasoned collectors and enthusiastic beginners alike, promising a transformative effect on your display setup. Number 5. LIGHTAILING Daily Bugle Light Set. Bring your Daily Bugle building blocks model to life. This kit adds a stunning glow, enhancing the details and creating an immersive experience. Inside, you'll find 3 USB light kits, an instruction guide, 2 battery boxes, and a USB connector. Everything you need for a seamless installation. It's handmade with original materials, ensuring durability and a long-lasting brilliance. Enjoy the superior quality and craftsmanship. Follow the simple, step-by-step instructions. Remember to use small tweezers and be gentle during installation. Use 3 AA batteries or a USB charger with a voltage under 5V to avoid damage. Let your creativity shine. Simply plug it in and watch your Daily Bugle transform. It's the perfect way to showcase your amazing creation. We specialize in custom lighting kits, dedicated to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Contact us if you need assistance. What we like. It's handcrafted with original materials, offering a unique and high-quality light kit. If you value craftsmanship and a truly special addition to your model, this is the one for you. This kit is perfect for those who appreciate the artistry and detail in handmade items. What people say. The Lego set is great, but with the lights it is fantastic. They illuminate all of the hard-to-see spaces so that all of the details are visible. This thing is beautiful at night. All of these kits are high quality. Daily Bugle set really benefited from the addition of these lights. Great look and everything works well. Number 4. Lego Daily Bugle LED Kit. This isn't a Lego set, it's the perfect lighting kit to enhance your existing Daily Bugle model. It's easy to install and will make your model truly stand out. Installation is a breeze. Each kit includes a simple instruction manual, and a detailed PDF is available for download. Just follow the steps and you'll be done in no time. It's designed to provide a professional, high-quality lighting experience for your Lego model. This kit will transform your build into a stunning display piece. Watch your Lego Daily Bugle come alive with this LED kit. It adds a unique and captivating glow that will impress everyone who sees it. Most of our images are unedited, showing you exactly how it will look. We want you to see the realistic effect of this amazing lighting kit. Remember, this is only the LED lighting kit. The Lego Daily Bugle model is not included. Make sure you already have the model before ordering. What we like. This kit boasts an easy installation process with a clear user manual. If you're looking for a straightforward and professional lighting solution, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize ease of use and a polished final look. What people say. Having a light set on a large Lego build like the Daily Bugle really makes it pop. The lights look amazing. It took myself and my son around 3 to 3.5 hours to complete. You scan the box for the instructions and they tell you what to take apart. It is a little fiddly, but you get better as you go. We will buy another set from this maker as the finished look is great. Number 3. RC LED Light Kit for LEGO 76178. This LED light kit is designed to add a stunning glow to your LEGO Daily Bugle model. It's easy to install and will bring your creation to life. Transform your Lego Daily Bugle from a dark building to a vibrant cityscape. Watch it come alive with this amazing light kit. It's powered by USB or batteries for ultimate convenience. Installation is a breeze with our step-by-step instructions. Follow the simple, illustrated instructions to easily install the lights. You'll have your Lego Daily Bugle shining in no time. Power it using a USB cable or 3 AAA batteries not included. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to contact us. We're always happy to assist you. What we like. Power it via USB or battery for ultimate convenience. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use lighting kit with detailed instructions, this is it. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free setup and a bright, vibrant display. Number 2. T-Club RC LED for LEGO 76178. This LED light kit is designed to add a stunning glow to your LEGO Daily Bugle. It's easy to install and will transform your model. With clear, step-by-step instructions, you'll find installing the lights a breeze. Just follow the pictures and you'll be done in no time. It's powered by USB or batteries, giving you flexibility in how you power it. Choose what's most convenient for you. Remember to install it gently. Avoid pulling, bending, or shaking it to prevent damage. Keep the voltage under 1A5V. Watch your LEGO Daily Bugle come alive with this light kit. It adds a beautiful, eye-catching glow to your model. This kit includes everything you need to light up your model. Please note that the LEGO set is not included. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of both USB and battery power options. If you prefer a classic design with clear instructions, this light kit is for you. It's a great choice for those who value simplicity and a reliable product. Number 1. Bourvill LED lights for LEGO 76178. This LED light kit is specifically designed for the LEGO Marvel Spider-Man Daily Bugle model 76178. It will dramatically enhance the look of your LEGO set. The kit contains only the LED lights, the LEGO model is not included. It's handmade with lightweight, easily hidden wires and safe, environmentally friendly materials. It features a USB power connection for a consistent light pattern. The durable copper wiring is designed for longevity and safety. Surprise your friends and family who own this LEGO set. It's a perfect gift for birthdays or holidays, adding a special touch to their creation. Installation is straightforward. Remember to use a power source under 5V1A for optimal brightness and safety. You will need to provide your own USB power source. What we like. It's made with safe, high-quality materials and offers a USB power connection for a reliable and safe experience. If you're looking for a safe and thoughtful gift, this is the perfect option. It's ideal for gifting to LEGO enthusiasts who appreciate a touch of elegance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.